All right, ladies, a very, very good evening to all of you. I hope you guys are doing good, and I would request you all to start your videos. Great. I can see some lovely faces across the screen. Welcome to your talent round 3. Your time to, rise and shine and of course, perform your level best into this glamorous round. I, congratulate you all for making it till here. And of course, all the very, very best. This is your time to kickstart your journey of becoming a super, super successful model in the coming times. So let's get started and let's welcome our jury members. And I would request them to start their videos as well. All right, we have our 3 lovely ladies on the jury panel. The first, of course, is Shelza Suri, our official pageant groomer, the one who has a very, very keen expertise on ramp walks and everything about pageants. Second, we have Sakshi Shekhar, who is the Majik Platter, the one who has been giving you insights about health, fitness, and of course, is going to talk about the postures and the kind of energy you need to put into your shows. And last but not the least, we have the OG woman, the boss lady, Miss Kirti Chaudhary, who has been there since the beginning and will be adding into the coming times of the platform as well. Thank you so much, ladies, for being here, and if you guys give me a nod, I shall begin. Thank you. And the sequence to start on would be Tejaswini, Neha Yadav, Ashna, Sonia, Anu, Sashmita, Navita. Hi, Tejaswini.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm good.
Are we ready?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I'm
Go
ready.
ahead. All the best.
1 second. Yeah, go back and come.
Thank you so much, Tejaswini. Thank you so much. I would request Shelza to take over.
Good evening to you, Tejasvi. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm good.
I quite like the confidence with which you were walking and the arrangements that you have made. You've chosen just the right place where, I could completely appreciate your full view. My only suggestion to you would be that practice walking with one leg in front of the other. While you were walking, the legs were too wide apart, and just practice a little more and it will fall in place. Okay?
Okay, sure, ma'am. Definitely. Sure.
All the best. All the best, Tejaswini.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tejaswini. Thank you so much. Next, we have Neha Yadav. Jury members, there are 2 Nehas in this batch, so this one is Neha Yadav. Hi, Neha.
Hello, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, are we ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Go ahead. All the best.
Okay. Good evening, judges, and good evening, everyone. Today I'll be showing my ramp walk, so let's get started. That's all, ma'am.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you so much. Over to you, Shelza.
Hello, Neha. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are
I
you?
quite like the mint green dress that you're wearing. It's complementing your complexion very well.
Thank
And
you, ma'am.
you walked beautifully. I just have one small tip to give you that when you walk and take a stance, your hands should never be below the waist. They're always above the waist and
Okay.
closing towards the waist. Okay, so
Okay,
that's a more
okay.
narrowed figure. The
Okay,
image is
okay.
created as if you have a narrower waist, although you do have, but it again adds more appeal to it. Okay,
Okay.
one
Okay,
little tip that I would give. Otherwise, it was very nice. All
Thank
the
you,
best.
ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Neha. Next, we have Ashna. Hi, Ashna.
Hi, Harry.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Are we ready?
Yes, we are ready. I'm ready.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ashna. Thank you so much. Shelza, over to you.
Good evening to you, Ashna. How are you?
Evening. I'm good, ma'am. How about you?
Great, thank you. I really appreciate your walk. It was very confident. But
Thank you.
one little suggestion coming your way, and that is that when you're walking,
Yeah.
your heels shouldn't be heard. Either the music has to be louder than your beat, or you walk maybe little lighter on your feet. Okay, when I say lighter on your feet, it doesn't mean that the energy should dip. It's just that when you're walking, put your heel first and toe later. It's when you're putting your toe first and heel later, the noise is made. Okay, so
Fine.
that's the only difference. Otherwise, it was nice. God
Thank
bless.
you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Ashna. Next, we have Sonia. Hi, Sonia.
हेलो मैम गुड इवनिंग
Good evening. कैसी हैं आप?
बढ़िया आप कैसे हो
बहुत ही बढ़िया. आप ready हैं?
यस मैम
Go ahead. All the best.
वेट मैम
Thank you, Sonia. Thank you so much. Shelza, over to you.
Hello, Sonia. आप कैसे हैं?
हेलो मैम फाइन एंड यू
Thank you, Ji. I'm very well. सो सोनिया, आप जब वॉक कर रहे थे तब मेरा सिर्फ एक ऑब्जर्वेशन था कि आप जब वॉक करते हैं या पोज भी करते हैं तो लेग्स बहुत ज्यादा वाइड अपार्ट है। तो जब आप ड्रेस पहनते हैं जो आपकी नी लेंथ से ऊपर होती है, तो हमारी कोशिश होती है कि लेग्स जो हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा वाइड अपार्ट ना हो, अनटिल अनलेस कि आप फॉर अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अ सेकंड कोई स्टांस ले रहे हैं। तो जब आप वॉक प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो यू विल ट्राई एंड वॉक विथ क्लोजर लेग्स। ठीक है, क्लोजर लेग्स कब होंगी? जब आपका एक पैर दूसरे पैर के आगे पड़ेगा तब। क्रिस क्रॉस भी नहीं करना है, इस तरह भी नहीं चलना है, सिर्फ एक के आगे दूसरा, के आगे दूसरा, इस तरीके
Straight
से
line.
जब प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो फिर जब आप इस तरह वॉक करेंगे ना तो आपकी एक तो हाइट और लंबी लगती है, वेस्ट आपकी ज्यादा स्वे करती है और उससे जो है वॉक बहुत डिजायरेबल लगती है। ठीक है, ऑल द बेस्ट।
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sonia. Next, we have Anuradha, and post her, the sequence would be Sashmita, Navita, Ramya, Pranjal, Kritika, Ankita Burman. Hi, Anuradha.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
Fine ma'am. Ma'am, without music कर सकते हैं walk?
Appreciate किया जाएगा, with music करेंगे because it's a compulsory factor जो कि आपको PDF भेजा गया था. तो is there a problem?
Yes ma'am, arrangement नहीं हो पाया है.
No problem. फिर आप without music कर लीजिए, no issues.
1 second. I'm done.
Thank you, Anuradha. Thank you so much. Over to you, Shelza.
आप कैसे मुराद?
मैं ठीक हूँ मैम, आप कैसे हैं?
बिल्कुल ठीक है। आपका आज म्यूजिक को क्या हुआ?
मैम अरेंजमेंट नहीं हो पाया है.
अच्छा ठीक है, बट क्या मैं आपको एक छोटी सी सजेशन दे सकती हूँ?
Yes मैम.
सो जब अरेंजमेंट नहीं हो पाता तो म्यूजिक आप फोन पर तो चला ही सकते हैं,
Yes मैम.
तो वो भी नहीं हो पाया। चलिए कोई
मैम
बात
अगर मैं फोन
नहीं।
पे चलाती थी तो वीडियो ऑफ हो जाता.
ओके, सो अनुराधा, आगे से जब भी कोई ऑनलाइन कंपटीशन होता है, अब आपने जैसे वॉक किया, आपका वॉक ठीक था पर आपने म्यूजिक के साथ नहीं किया, तो वी कैन नॉट अप्रिशिएट कि आप जो वॉक कर रहे हैं तो वो कैसा लग रहा है। कंप्लीट हमें जो है अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं हो पाती आपके वॉक की, राइट? सो नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी कोई कंपटीशन हो तो आप जरूर उसको जो है जिस तरह गाइड किया गया है उस तरह करें, अदरवाइज अननेसेसरली आपके जो मार्क्स है वो कम हो जाएंगे, राइट?
Okay.
ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट।
Thank you, Anuradha. Next, we have Sashmita. Hi, Sashmita.
Hi, Harry.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good too. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead. All the best. Sashmita. Thank you so much. Over to you, Shelda.
How are you, Sashmita? How are you today?
I'm fine. How are you?
All good. And tell me, what is your feedback about the walk? When you were taking a walk, what did you feel?
I was quite nervous, honestly.
Okay. And
And I think my shoulder posture was a little bit downward instead of, back. And this is what I felt.
you said it all. Because you were nervous, you forgot to smile. Rest, everything was in place. Your shoulders also weren't so bad. I mean, now that you've told me, I'm taking a notice of it, but otherwise, you walked well. It's just that you're too stern with your expression. You need to be a little more softer in terms of expressions when you're walking. That's all. Otherwise, your walk was nice.
Thank you
All
so
the-
much.
Thank you, Sashmita. Next, we have Navita. Hi, Navita.
Hello,
How are you?
fine, fine. And you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Are you ready?
Thank you. Yeah,
Go ahead. All the best.
okay, just a minute. Music. देख लीजिए. Mic on. Music play. वीडियो ऑफ कर दिया था क्या?
Thank you, Navita. Thank you so much. Over to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, Navita.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am.
आपका वॉक अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा था. There was good sense
Thank you so
of,
much.
आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल अच्छा था, आपका बाउंस अच्छा था जब आप वॉक कर रहे थे, आपका ड्रेस अच्छा था. सिर्फ आपके हैंड मूवमेंट्स थोड़े से ज्यादा थे. ठीक है. सो ये आप ध्यान रखें जब आप बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ या एनर्जी के साथ चलते हैं, लेकिन हैंड्स जो हैं वो एक प्रोपोर्शन के बाहर नहीं जाने चाहिए. ठीक है. दैट्स इट. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you, Navita. Next, we have Ramya Shri. Hi, Ramya.
Hi. Hi,
Are
Ravi.
you ready?
अब तो इनका राउंड आ गया ना.
Go
Sorry.
ahead. All the best.
Thank you. Hi all, good evening. My name is Ramya and I have chosen this outfit for today's ramp walk. So we are good to go. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramya. Thank you so much. Shelza, over to you.
Hello, how are you? Good evening.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. I'm fine. How are you?
Very well. So, Ramya, how tall are you?
Sorry, ma'am.
What is your height?
5.2, ma'am.
5'2". Okay. So this is what I was observing, that your heel is comparatively lesser. So unless you're very tall, that is, if you're 5'5" and above, it's all right if you wear less inches of heels. But otherwise, start practicing wearing at least 4 inches of heels and then walking. Because if you will practice walking with the shorter heel and then elevate yourself to say 4 inches, then you will have wobbly feet. And then again, you'll have to start all over again. But you're wearing a very beautiful dress and you walked well.
Thank you,
Continue
ma'am.
the good work.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Ramya. Thank you so much. And next we have Pranjal. Hi, Pranjal.
Hi, Hari ma'am.
How are you?
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Are we ready?
Yeah, just a second.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we are ready. So, hi everyone. My name is Pranjal Arora, and I have chosen this outfit because I'm a party freak and I love parties. So, let's move forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Pranjal. Thank you so much. I would request Shelda to take over.
Hello, Pranjal. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good. How are you?
Very well, thank you. So I did see your walk and I have few observations. First is that your arms were swaying more than the gait of your legs. Okay. So it has to be in coordination. Your pace of legs and your hand movement have to be coordinated well when you're walking. So maybe with little more practice, it will come. Okay. And the placement of hands when you're posing, it is right below your bust line. It is never below the waistline. Always remember that. Okay. So with
Sure,
little more
ma'am. Yes,
practice,
ma'am.
you will get it, I'm sure. All the very best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pranjal. Next we have Kritika, and post her the sequence would be Ankita Burman, Harpreet, Nidali, Neena, Manisha Konswal. Hi, Kritika.
Hello, ma'am. A very good evening.
Very good evening to you as well. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good evening to all the judges and the panel members. I'm Kritika from Bangalore. I would like to start my walk by saying on a positive note, experience tells us what to do and confidence allows you to do it. And I'm starting it. Yeah, ma'am, it's done. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Kritika. Shelda, over to you.
Hello, Kritika. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you. How are you?
So I want to ask you, how many hours did you practice into ramp walk before your auditions?
Like every day I used to practice between like 45 minutes to 1 hour.
My God, 45 minutes. All right.
Like every day, 30 to 45 minutes. Yeah.
Okay. No, you were good. You were very nice. But the only observation that I have is stretch your body when you walk. Okay, your legs are not completely open. Your legs are not, your knees are not stretched out. So when you're walking, your legs are a little bent. So
Okay.
that takes away all the smartness and grace from your walk.
Okay.
And when you are posing, hold your pose for a little longer. So 2 observations for you.
Yeah.
And
Sure,
I'm sure
ma'am.
next round you will keep that in mind. All the best.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Kritika. Thank you so much. Next, we have Ankita Burman. Hi, Ankita.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Today I have chosen this blue outfit along with my blue heels, and my theme is boldness and color with the colors of blue and gold. And I have also used winged eyeliner and tried to stretch my face with hair tied up. And along with that, since I'm saying blue and gold, I have also used blue shimmer on my eyes, and on top of that, to highlight my nails, I have used lavender nail color and a bit of shimmer and some golden bracelet and earrings. So without further ado, I will get started.
Thank you, Ankita. Thank you so much. And I'll request Shelda to take over.
Hi, Ankita. How are you? Good evening.
Good evening, I'm good. A bit nervous.
No, you don't have to be tad nervous because you are very good. I have nothing to say, but only to appreciate that you walked well and you look beautiful. Continue the good work. God bless.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ankita. Thank you so much. And next we have Harpreet. Hi, Harpreet.
Oh.
Hi, Harpreet. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
That's all, ma'am.
Thank you, Harpreet. Thank you so much. And Shelda, over to you.
हेलो हरप्रीत, कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया मैम, बहुत बढ़िया. आप बताइए.
बहुत अच्छा. सो हरप्रीत, आपने बहुत अच्छा वॉक किया. बस एक छोटी सी ऑब्जर्वेशन है आपकी कि जब आप वॉक करते हैं ना, तो जब आप हाथ रखते हैं, आप बहुत ढीला रख रहे थे उसके ऊपर, वेस्ट पे. तो थोड़ा अच्छे से फॉर्मेशन बना के रखो और वेस्ट के ऊपर रखो. ऐसा करने से क्या होता है कि आपकी जो हाइट है ना, वो ज्यादा लगती है. आपका जो भी हाइट है वो सब ज्यादा लंबे लगते हैं. और बॉडी में एक बहुत अच्छी लाइन बन के आती है जो आपकी प्रोफाइल इंप्रूव कर देती है. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Harpreet. And next we have Nirali. Hi, Nirali.
Hi.
Are we ready?
हाँ.
Yeah, go ahead. All the best.
ना भाई ना मते चाड़ी के चढ़ मजा कर चढ़ ना बनते मेरा पे
Thank you, Nirali. Thank you so much. Shelda, over to you. Shelda, आप mute पे हो.
हेलो निराली, हाउ आर यू?
Fine, ma'am.
आपको अपना वॉक कैसा लगा बताइए. बताइए. आपने बाकियों के भी आज वॉक देखे होंगे,
हाँ.
है ना? तो आपको उनके बशर्ते अपना वॉक कैसा लगा?
अच्छा लगा.
अच्छा लगा? क्या अच्छा लगा?
वॉक.
ठीक है, तो अब आप को मैं कुछ टिप्स बताऊंगी. एक तो आप अपने अंदर थोड़ा एनर्जी लाइए. ठीक है, जब आप वॉक करते हैं तो वॉक के अंदर थोड़ा और एनर्जी होनी चाहिए. आपने बहुत सॉफ्ट वॉक करी है. ठीक है, ऐसे सॉफ्ट वॉक करने से शायद आप बहुत सीरियस हो सकते हैं कंपटीशन को लेकर और बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट भी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन जब आप बहुत सॉफ्ट वॉक करते हैं तो वो नोटिस में नहीं आती एंड इट गिव्स एन इंप्रेशन एज इफ यू आर नॉट completely prepared, which might not be the case. Okay, so when you walk with more energy and you must have very strong expressions also on your face, जो भी आप expression hold करना चाहते हैं. ठीक है? So these are the two observations, that's all. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nirali. Thank you so much. And next we have Neena. Post Neena, the sequence would be Nisha Gaikwad, Sana, Madhuri Dani, Semantika, Deboshri. Hi, Neena.
Hi, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Hi, good evening. Actually, I have a kidney problem since my childhood. So that time my body weight was around 80 to 85 kgs. So I used to wear casual dresses and normal chappals. So this is the first time I am wearing high heels. What are painful that, but I'm trying to work on heels. Okay. It's
Thank you, Nina. Thank you so much. And congratulations, on, I feel, moving one step ahead into your life by, recovering from a very serious problem in the past. And Shelza, over to you.
Absolutely, Nina. Compliments to you on such a victorious recovery. Like you said that you were 80 kilos and now I don't think you're more than 50, 55. So which is commendable. So good job done there already. And I so loved the expressions that you were giving, looking into the camera. That is exactly how I want all the other girls who are watching also to do. So you have to actually feel the presence of the camera when you're walking. All your attention has to be towards it. So आपने बहुत अच्छे से उसको maintain किया, and your walk was also very nice. Although you already mentioned before that you're not used to wearing heels, तो मुझे लगा कि थोड़ी सी आपकी legs loose थी, but with practice that will also come. But otherwise, it was very nice.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
God bless.
Thank you, Nina. Thank you so much. And next we have Manisha. Hi, Manisha. Manisha, आप म्यूट पे हैं.
Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. That's all.
Thank you, Manisha. Thank you so much. Over to you, Shelza. Shelza.
Manisha.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm very good, and I really appreciate कि आपने बहुत अच्छे से एक जगह निकाली है. You put a red carpet for your walk. All the effort I really appreciate. You've put extra light also, I can see, for
Yes,
that
ma'am.
effect to come. So very good job done there, and you walked also very well. आपने बहुत अच्छा walk किया. बस वही observation है कि जब आप waist पे हाथ रखते हैं, लग के दिखाइए waist के ऊपर हाथ. Put your hands right under your bust line. रखिए. I can't see you.
I think Manisha's video went off. Maybe
Okay, no worries, no worries. Okay.
All right, moving forward, let's hear it from Nisha. And jury members, there are 3 Nishas in this bag. This one is Nisha Gaikwad.
Okay.
Hi, Nisha. Nisha, आप mute पे हैं.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Are we ready?
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead. All the best.
फोनासाठी हो का समोरून फोन समोरून ठेवू का चाल
Thank you, Nisha. Thank you so much. Shelza, over to you.
क्या हाल है आपकी निशा? How are you?
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Very good. So I liked your walk. My only observation is जैसे आज आपने बहुत ज्यादा हील नहीं पहनी है ना? और आपकी हील वो थोड़ी मोटी भी है. So उसमें क्या होता है, हमारा एक inherent comfort होता है चलने में, लेकिन उससे क्या है, ग्रेस नहीं आती. ग्रेस हमेशा आती है जब आप थोड़ा सा पतला स्टिलेटोज पहनते हैं. So what is your height?
3.4. 5.4.
5'4" ना, तो आपको कम से कम 3.5 इंच की हील जरूर पहननी चाहिए, थोड़ी सी पतली, ताकि उससे क्या है आपका जो स्वे है वो बॉडी में आ जाएगा. अभी आपकी वॉक फ्लैट लग रही थी. इट इज नॉट बिकॉज आप चल ठीक नहीं रहे थे, इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ योर हील्स. ओके, ऑल राइट, गॉड ब्लेस.
Thank you, Nisha. Next we have Sana. Hi, Sana.
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you, Sana. Thank you so much. Over to you, Shelza.
Hello, Sana. How are you? How are you, Sana? Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Hi, good evening.
Good evening. I can't stop myself from appreciating the dragons tattoo that you've made. They are beautiful. And apart from that, your walk was also very nice and confident. I will just suggest that you wear a little more tapered heels from next time onwards. Okay, that will elevate your walk even more. But otherwise, it was very nice. God bless.
Thank you, Sana. Thank you so much. Next, we have Madhuri Danane. Jury members, there are 3 Madhuris in this batch. So this one is Madhuri Danane. Hi, Madhuri.
Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you.
There was a boy of a rich man. I am. Kon.
Thank you, Madhuri. Thank you so much. Shelza, over to you.
Hello, Madhuri. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Yeah, so आपका अपने बारे में क्या observation है मुझे बताएं. What did you feel about your own walk? Oh, she got dropped, Harry. I can't see her. हाँ जी बताइए आपका अपने बारे में क्या observation था walk के बारे में?
ठीक किया मतलब
ठीक किया? हाँ
आप ही
आप
बता
नहीं आपने बिल्कुल ठीक किया, बस थोड़े से ऑब्जर्वेशन मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. एक तो जब आप वॉक करते हैं तो हाथ जो है वो लेग के प्रोपोर्शन में चलना चाहिए. आपके हाथ बहुत ज्यादा चल रहे थे, लेग के साथ साथ नहीं थे. फर्स्ट. सेकंड बात ये कि जब आप पोज करते हैं तो आप उसको होल्ड करिए थोड़ा, ठीक है. और आप म्यूजिक से भी ज्यादा तेज वॉक कर रहे थे. अब या आप घबरा के कर रहे थे, नर्वस हो गए थे, या मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन म्यूजिक के पेस के साथ वॉक करो, ठीक है. ऑल राइट, ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Madhuri. Next, we have Semantika. Post her, the sequence would be Devoshri, Shilpa, Madhuri Gore, Madhuri Thate, and Nisha. Hi, Semantika.
Hi, Lily. How are you doing?
I am good. How are you?
Doing good. Thanks for asking.
Are we ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Go ahead. All the best.
I am done.
Thank you, Semantika. Thank you so much. And next we have, I would request Shelda to take over.
Hello, Semantika. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. How are you?
Very well, thank you. Semantika, you walked well. I have no observations in terms of your walk. It was good, and the pace, and I love the heel that you're carrying with so much of confidence. The only thing is bring more variation in your posing. That's all. Okay?
So much.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Semantika. Next we have Devoshri. Hi, Devoshri.
Good evening, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
And all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Devoshri. Thank you so much. And I would request Shelda.
Devoshri, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
Very well, and I quite liked the way you walked with high heels. You have a lot of confidence in carrying it. My only thing is, जब आप walk करते हैं ना, your left hand goes a little out of proportion. Your right hand is fine. Left hand आपका थोड़ा सा बाहर जाता है. That's it. Otherwise, it was a good walk, good posing.
Thank
Good
you,
walk.
ma'am. Thank you so
All
much.
the best.
Thank you.
Okay, next we have Shilpa. Hi, Shilpa.
हेलो मैम, नमस्ते।
नमस्ते, कैसी हैं आप?
ठीक है मैम, गुड।
चलिए, रेडी हैं आप? Are you ready? Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shilpa. Thank you so much. Shelta, over to you.
How are you, Shilpa? How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
आपको थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत है, शिल्पा. So जब आप walk,
Okay, ma'am.
आप थोड़ा legs close करके, arm close करके walk करें सबसे पहले तो start with that. और एक पैर
Okay,
के
ma'am.
दूसरा पैर रख के कोशिश करें, practice करें. Okay?
Done, ma'am.
बहुत है. You have a lot of confidence. Just little practice and everything will fall in place. All the best.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Shilpa. Thank you so much. Next, we have Madhuri Gore. Hi, Madhuri.
Yeah, hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yeah, yes.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madhuri. Thank you so much. Shelta, over to you.
Hello, Madhuri. How are you?
Yeah, must, ma'am.
Great. So आपकी walk अच्छी थी. बस ये है कि जब आप turn करके फिर walk करते हैं तो आप line छोड़ देते हैं. आपको खुद
Yes.
feel हुआ? हाँ.
Yes.
So don't do that. You have to follow the line. ठीक है? That's the only observation that I've got. All the best.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Next, we have Madhuri Thate. Hi, Madhuri. Okay, I think she got disconnected. So we'll move forward to Nisha, the other Nisha. Hi, Nisha.
Hi, ma'am.
निशा, आप निशा यादव हैं या नेहरा हैं? I'm really sorry. Nehra. Okay. So jury members, this one is Nisha Nehra, and Nisha, you can begin. All the best.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Nisha. Thank you so much. Sharda, over to you.
क्या हाल है आपके निशा?
मैम काफी अच्छी हूँ, आप बताइए।
बिल्कुल ठीक है। आपने आज वॉक किया, लेकिन आपका कैमरा आपने इस तरह प्लेस किया है कि मुझे आपका फुल व्यू नहीं मिला। आपकी लेग्स आई कुड नॉट सी, सो मैं ज्यादा अप्रिशिएट नहीं कर पाई आपकी वॉक। लेकिन आप जो है, जब आप वॉक करते हैं तब आप जो है वॉक को क्लोज रखिए, ठीक है? लेग्स को क्लोज करके वॉक करें। और नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आप रैंप वॉक ऑनलाइन आए तो कैमरा इस तरह रखिए कि आपका एक स्टांस जो है फुल व्यू आना चाहिए, आप पूरे दिखने चाहिए आपकी हील्स तक। ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू।
Thank you, Nisha. Next we have Ritu. Hi, Ritu. And post her, we'll have the last contestant, Sakshi.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Ritu. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Great.
Good
Are we-
evening. Yeah, I'm ready.
Go ahead.
Good evening, jury. Best wishes to all of my friends. Before I start, I would like to tell something about my attire, today's attire. I've chosen one-piece dress along with 5 inches heel and enhanced it with smoky eyes, black smoky eyes and red lipstick. And even I have accessorizes it with a earring and a bracelet and a nail art, a little magic. I think you all admire, and let's start with my walk. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ritu. Thank you so much. Over to you, Shalda.
Hello, Ritu. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. Thank you for asking. I'm fine.
That's so wonderful to know. I really appreciate the efforts that you have put in into your walk and the way you explained it all, and the dress is suiting you so much. And you walked well. I
Thank you
really
so much.
also noticed that you've put a red carpet there to add more formality to your walk. So good job done. When you're serious about something, the results are always positive. So
Thank you.
continue the good work and all the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Ritu. Thank you so much. And we have the last participant for the day, that is Sakshi. Hi, Sakshi.
Hello, good evening, ma'am. Am I audible now?
Yes, you're audible. Are you ready?
Yes, shall we start?
All the best.
Thanks. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sakshi. Thank you so much. And Shelza, over to you.
Hello, Sakshi.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
You look beautiful today in the gown that you're wearing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you a lot. And you walked well. The only observation is आपके हाथ जो है वो थोड़े proportion से बाहर चलते हैं जब आप walk करते हैं. Maybe you know what happens is that in order to pump up ourselves for a return walk, we try to gain momentum by a body part. So mostly it happens with hand. So maybe आपका भी वही case है. So just walk in front of the mirror and check. आपका जो right hand है that goes a little out of proportion when you walk. Just take that in control and rest. Everything is fine. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
God bless you.
Thank you, Sakshi. Thank you so much. And that brings us to the end. Thank you so much, ladies, for putting up such a wonderful show. A huge, huge round of applause. Thank you so much. And now, of course, I would request the jury members to give their final words of expertise. So, Shelza, over to you. Who better than you to start with?
Thank you so much, Harry. And as the girls have already been hearing me right from start, I've given too many tips, and I'm sure they have gotten an idea about what they really need to do on stage. And like how I told yesterday and day before also, I'll again repeat today for everyone to hear कि जब आप stage पर walk करते हैं, आपको individually नहीं देखा जाता. It is not your dress, it is not your figure, it is not your expressions, your heels. Everything has to come together like a package. So it is all about the appeal and the impression you leave once you leave the stage. The jury members should always remember your tag number, because you must leave that everlasting impression on their minds. By the end of it, you need to understand you're participating in a competition. And in a competition, all that matters is how you leave the impression in the minds of the jury members. Okay, so become a package. Everything has to come together. Today, I've given a lot of individual tips, and they will come handy to even others to notice. Your walk, how are you posing? Your hands and feet placement, your shoulders to be rolled back, the expressions that you play, and your eye contact with the camera, because we are online. But when you go offline, it has to be with the jury members or beyond the crowd. Okay, so many of you have posed looking down. So I don't appreciate that much, because on stage, most of the posing should be parallel to the crowd that is sitting, because everybody wishes to see your expressions, your face. So try and avoid posing by looking down, and experiment with all these things. Record yourself, go back, watch your walk, and you can criticize and analyze your own walk yourself. Okay, and this is how you're going to improve. So these are the tips for today. Thank you so much. And over to you, Harry.
Thank you so much, Shelza. And now let's hear it from Sakshi. I'm sure she also must have, some great insights to give.
Hello, beautiful ladies. How are you doing? Looking absolutely gorgeous on the screen. First of all, credits to the instructor. I can clearly see the honest and intellectual connection between the instructor and the gorgeous ladies, which is clearly showing all over the screen here. And I'm sure it's going to outshine the ramp as well. Coming to your health as a nutritionist, of course, we do not have a notepad here. We'll go more elaborated when we have a session together, but you can add a few things to your diet, which can actually enhance your beauty internally. For example, count your protein intake very, very much, because for non-vegetarians, go for eggs, like eat an egg daily basis पे, क्योंकि ये आपकी expensive supplements को replace करेगा. Secondly, go for aloe vera. Each morning you can start with a teaspoon of aloe vera. You can also apply it over your skin. Thirdly, Triphala, which is a tri-herb, actually eases constipation. And जब वो चीज आपकी system से eliminate हो जाएगी, आपकी elimination clear रहेगी, so there is no acne, there is no breakout. So you will be naturally glowing. Fourth of all, probiotics include करना बहुत जरूरी है आपकी डाइट में at the moment. So natural probiotic हमारी कर्ड है. Actually आपकी गट में already बहुत सारी गुड बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट है. तो आज से डेली बेसिस पे लंच के बाद आप कर्ड जरूर यूज करें. Post which mood uplifter हमारा happiness fruit banana. Add one of or 100 grams basically of banana in your mid snack. It will elevate your mood and keep you happy. And जो nervousness होती है, dullness होती है, it will take away all of that. And last but not the least, saffron, जिसको हम red gold भी बोलते हैं, आप उसे भी add करो अपने post dinner थोड़े से milk के साथ आप उसको 2 or 3 strands add करो. It will keep your PMS at bay because we do not want that moodiness to come over while you are into such a big pageant, right? So keep yourself healthy. ये सारे tips हम बाद में फिर से elaborate करेंगे जब हम session करेंगे. I have already met some of you and I'm really willing to meet more and more time so that I can give maximum knowledge I can share with you. All the very best, girls, and you guys made my evening. This was a fabulous evening. All the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sharda. Thank you so much, Shakshi. It was an absolute honor having both of you here. And I'm sure the participants had a lot to take away. I've shared their Instagram details into the chat box, guys. Make sure you guys follow them and, see what they have more to offer, because these are, really talented women with a lot of experience and expertise to offer. Thank you so much, ladies. It was an absolute pleasure having you here. Have a lovely evening ahead. I shall take your leave.
Thank you. Thank you,
so much,
Harry.
Harry.
All the
Bye-bye.
best to all the girls. Thank you.